As a marketer, you have a lot on your plate. You want to drive growth, understand your customers, and make data-driven decisions quickly. Understanding each customer's unique path to purchase is essential for meeting these goals. Ideally, we imagine a customer journey where every interaction with our brand is measured and accounted for, and we can use this data to understand media impact on conversions. In reality, walled gardens, third-party cookie deprecation, iOS updates, and other regulations have caused customer journey data to become fragmented and difficult to measure. Marketing evolution uses advanced machine learning and AI algorithms to predict exposures, rebuild the customer journey, and give you granular, person-level attribution results even from aggregate data. So go ahead, slay your marketing goals. We're here to help. Machine learning plus human know-how equals better decisions faster.